Welcome back. Now, the Karnataka police has said that banned satellite phones used to make international calls after State Home Minister Aregga Yanendra said that intelligence agencies have tracked 476 calls made by satellite phones in the state since last year. While state police refused to divulge the specifics of these calls, however, they said their teams are on the ground collecting information and maintaining strict vigil. Unlike regular cell phones, satellite phone calls bypass the local telecom system, making it difficult for the agencies to actually track these calls. The usage of satellite phone calls have in fact been banned in India post the 2011 Mumbai terror attacks. In fact, the Karnataka Home Minister spoke to Mirror Now on this very issue. Listen in.
ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 2 ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ 420 ಏನೋ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Okay, sir, can you give us information on who gave you the information of these calls? State agencies or central agencies? Where did the information of the calls come from?
No, central agency in the barutte.
Okay, sir, so has any sort of alert been issued, and what is a team being constituted for this specifically, sir?
Alert ಆಗಿರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 2 ಡ್ರಮ್ಮು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸು. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Right. So just one more thing, is the latitude, longitudes of these calls being identified? How is it being done, sir? Because from last year you're saying the calls have been made. So do we have any...
ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಚಲನವಲನವನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರಿಂದ ಕಣ್ಣಿಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Okay, and sir, lastly, has there been anything found so far, sir, because the calls have been made from last year, you said?
ಕೆಲವು ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಭದ್ರತೆಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I'm joined by my colleague Neha Hebale, who's been tracking this story. Neha, the minister was very cryptic in his answers, but any information that we have gathered from cops on what they have found out about these satellite phone calls tracked since last year, over 400 of them, 476 to be precise, of these calls, any further details that they have been able to find out about them?
Well, Tanima, you know, what is being looked at right now by both the police and the Home Department over here in Karnataka is, first of all, to track the location of where these calls were made from, where they came from. Now, once that's, in fact, you know, been done, they are then, in fact, going to be actually identifying the countries from where these calls were made. We understand that a plethora of these calls possibly, you know, of course, could have been from international waters as well. So this is what we're picking up. And more importantly, Tanima, the areas such as Dakshin Kannada, Mangaluru as well, these parts have, you know, for long now, in fact, you know, the police over there, the local administration as well, have been flagging off possible, you know, terror elements that were operated in those areas. The NIA also, Tanima, recently, in fact, you know, did flag off the same. So, for now, what we are picking up is that once the police have, you know, of course, actually managed to establish possibly some location over there of where the calls were actually coming from, we understand that they're also going to be possibly trying to set up a tower as well to intercept these calls, if that's a possibility. That is also being explored right now, and about 476 calls that were actually made using these satellite phones. It's not a small number, but so far what the police says is that they are in fact coordinating with the central agencies, because that's where they receive the information from, and they're going to you know, try and actually get out more information from this. But of course, like you rightly said, the Home Minister here being very restricted in his answers, stating that, you know, for the sake of national security right now, they will not be able to divulge more details about the information regarding these calls. But soon, Tanima, is what, you know, we are picking up both from the police as well as the Home Department. There should be at least some headway coming through on these 476 calls.